Now that you have the essential framework for one of your project pages, let's go ahead and move both of these sections to all of your pages. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to keep clicking until, like on this outside, see how it has edit background, move, and delete. I'm going to go to move. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do copy. And I'm going to copy this to my personal collage. I'm going to click on it again. I'm going to move. I'm going to copy. I'm going to move that to my Illustrator. This is actually taking me to the Illustrator. Every time you do the copy, it's moving there. So we'll end up going back to the skateboard one eventually. I'm going to go to move, copy, magazine cover. I'm just going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to move, copy. I'm going to go to the next one, magazine spread, move, copy. Oh, poop. I just moved to the skateboard one. So I am going to delete that. Going to click on it again, move. So a little tedious, but oh, heck of a lot faster than rebuilding it on every single one. I'm going to do the same thing, move, copy, posters for a cause, and we're done. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my skateboard one, and I need to repeat that same process for the reflections, for the process, steps, and reflection. In fact, I'm going to move that over. I'm going to move that over beforehand, just so I've got more room for the text. Don't really need as much space there or as much space there. So I just grabbed the little spot in between. So do that. Then just repeat, move, copy, collage. Oh, that stinks. It's putting it in the opposite order. Oh, well, I'll show you how to move that. So I'm going to go to move on this page down. Same kind of thing. If you've already placed a picture on here, you can move up and move down just by clicking on it. So you're going to repeat that same process for each one of these. So I'm going to go here, move. You know what? Maybe leaving it up here isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's up to you. If you want to put it below the photos, you can. If you want to leave it at the top, you can do that as well. I don't know what the heck I just did. I think I deleted it by mistake. So I'm going to move, copy. Okay, so you don't have to watch me do the entire thing. So do that for each one. Decide if you want to have the photos of your stuff below the text. If you do, you can just leave it the way it is. If you don't, just go to each page, move, and move it down, and it'll put it underneath. Totally up to you to decide what sequence you want to put it in. I would just have it consistent. In the next video, I'll show you how to go in and how I built the skateboard page by putting the pictures in.